design feels like a love letter in jar form. Start by coating the jar with soft pastel pink. Leave a heart-shaped space in the center. Around the heart, create tiny vines and flowers using greens, whites, and pinks. It's delicate, romantic, and the heart adds a perfect peek-through touch. Let's paint this blue lavender design. I start with thin green stems going upward. Then, I add blue flowers on top, shaped like little bells. Each one leans slightly to give it a soft, natural look. To finish, I add green leaves around the stems. Let's bring some lavender fields to life. Begin with tall green stems, then add layers of soft purple petals. Use thin white strokes for highlights to give that petal texture. This pattern wraps around the jar like blooming lavender swaying in the breeze. Here's a fun and bright design. First, I paint a simple flower in the center using soft pink shades, just a few petals and a cute white dot in the middle. Once that dries, I create a green grid all around the jar. This floral jar brings warmth and joy. First, paint the lower half with a peachy nude tone for a cozy base. Then, build up a floral cluster using bright pinks, whites, and oranges. Add small leafy branches for balance. It looks like a blooming bouquet dancing around the jar. Sweet, vibrant, and perfect for gifting. Let's paint this soft lavender jar. First, I start with thin vertical strokes for the stems. Then, I add the flowers on top, using a soft lavender shade shaped like tiny bells. Each flower leans slightly for a natural look. To finish, I paint small green leaves along the stems to bring the whole design together. Let's paint a field of daisies today. Start with tall green stems swaying upward. Then add clusters of white petals around soft yellow centers. These simple daisy shapes instantly brighten up the jar. Now, time for the final charm, tiny ladybugs. They add a pop of orange and a playful touch. This design feels like a sunny spring afternoon captured in the jar. All our floral jars are done, each one with its own little charm. Let me know your favorite in the comments. And don't forget to like, share, and follow for more cozy art content.